It's hard to beat a skin on duck breast, so let's cook one up today. We're gonna fire up the old blaze Kamado and break out the cast iron. And we're also gonna make a pan sauce to go with it. It's gonna be phenomenal. Okay, here's a duck breast. There's one and two. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook this guy up as well. Bloop. Just make nice little scores. You don't wanna go all the way down to the meat. Just use the tip of a boning knife, make sure it's sharp. Okay, let's call that good. So today we're going to use Filled to Flame. This is my newest rub. It's got some thyme, rosemary, coriander, and a bunch of other good stuff. You can find this in my Etsy store. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. Start with the meat side. Add it in. Man, it smells so good. A little more over here. Herbaceous. Let's fire up the blaze Kamado. As you can see, we got charcoal left over from our last cook, so we'll just use that. Give it a quick stir to knock off some ashes. And today we're going to use a burn bag from Burn Fire Starter Company. This stuff's great. It's all natural and it burns for a long time. There we go. Hot. All right, got a good flame going. Gonna lay down a cold cast iron skillet. Hit it with some duck fat just to get started. Okay, we'll lay these in skin side down on a cold pan. And at this point, we're gonna wait 6, 7, 8 minutes. And our little duck leg will go on the grill too. All right, these have been going about 7 or 8 minutes. Let's see what we look like. Oh man. These are ready to flip. We're just gonna let these keep going until we reach the internal temperature of about 130 degrees. I'm gonna take some of this fat, this spoon here, and just drizzle it on top. There we go. See what temperature's looking like. Try not to mess up that skin. Getting close. Actually, we're there. I do want to hit the edges, kind of get some color on the edges. We'll do one of those. Try not to mess up the skin. All right, it's time to plate these and we're gonna make a sauce. So we're just gonna let these rest for about 10 minutes. Oh man. Okay, so for our glaze, we're gonna throw some cranberries in. Throw that orange in there too. A little butter, and some brown sugar. Scrape off that goodness. Make a bit of a fond. Keep it moving. I like to smush those cranberries. Make sure you get all the flavor out of them. We'll have some acidity, some sweetness, and it'll help cut through the richness of that duck breast. Nice. I had a technical mess up. I didn't record me slicing this, but it's phenomenal. Luckily, we have another duck breast. Oh yeah. Oh man. Now we're gonna come in with our glaze. Or maybe it's a compo. On there, just dabble it in like that. All right, here we go. I can't wait to go in for this bite. The skin is incredible. Did you see that juice dripping off of there? The cranberry really cuts through the richness and they just balance each other out so well. The rosemary from the rub, the thyme, coriander, black pepper, that's perfectly cooked. Hey, if you like what we're doing here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's the best compliment you can give. We certainly appreciate it. We hope you make this, and we'll see you next time.